Today we explore how to introduce the letter sound to toddlers. First, introduce the letter name to your child because in English language, letter name or letter sound are different. I take group 1 sounds. First letter name S, A, T, I, P, N. Next, letter sound S, A, T, E, M.